2014 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, power moonroof, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.